Hi everyone, welcome back to Ceramic Fun Tips and Techniques. I have people asking me where to find Fashiohue's paint, so I'm going to show you where to find it. If you click a new tab and type in fashionhues.com, type that in your URL bar. When you enter, it will take you to one of the places you can buy the actual company itself. Here's Fashiohues. And so you can actually hit the shop button up on their website and do translucent, actually do it again, shop translucent stains. It will take you to their web page here. So as you scroll down the page, you'll be able to see that you can buy individual jars of paint. They have more at the bottom here, so you can get the colors you want. Or you can actually get different kits. They do have starter kits. That'll give you the antiquing solution I talked about. You might buy the base coat separately. There's a deluxe kit you can buy and get the things you need. So this is a good place to start. You can search for products if you need to. So you can search for base coat. See what they have there. It doesn't take you to their base coat paint. Let's try that with two separate words may work. Base coat. Here's their base coat. So you see they have the cream coat, the white coat. They have two different sizes, a 4 ounce, an 8 ounce. You can start with a 4 ounce bottle if you wanted to. They last a long time. Then you can, of course, get the paints you need. So those are the supplies that were needed. I had people wondering where to go and get that. So this is a good place to go to. You can also search online. There's other dealers that sell it also. So go to fashionhues.com is one of the locations you can go to find the paint you need. So I hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. See you in a little bit. Bye.